If I open up my feathers like I open up a gift, can I see it? If I open up my ribcage and let my shape shift, can it be it? If I open up my mind, embrace the pain, do not flee it, and choose to see it as it is, truly see it as it is. With a bird's eye view, I'm watching out for you, up away somewhere, angels in the air. With a bird's eye view, I'm watching out for you. Take heart, take heed, take care, till you're lighter than the air, till you're lighter than the air. Migration's never ending if your lucky flight is long. Watch your heart transform, the will of your body grow strong. And you choose to see it as it is, truly see it as it is. With a bird's eye view, I'm watching out for you, up away somewhere, angels in the air. With a bird's eye view, I'm watching out for you. Take heart, take heed, take care, till you're lighter than the air, till you're lighter than the air. I've got strength in you and a bird's eye view.